First thing you do is you identify the headlights. This is a headlight. Secondly, what you do is you take this soft rubber and you unscrew these screws right there. There's one there, and then there's one there. Oh, where'd he go? One right there. So you do that. Stick it in there like that. I got a 10mm ratchet tip on the end of there. And you loosen that up, and they'll pull right out. After you're done doing that, oh yeah, I forgot maybe to mention that it was a 10mm bolt. That's what I'm using. Undo the wires on the inside. They're in there. They're down there. Right down in there. There's two of them. After you're done with that, arm wrestle those out of there. Set them up there where you can get at them, and go ahead and pop the one out that you need. Recommend do both sides at the same time. Make sure you don't touch the bulb on the new one. There's a new one. I didn't touch the bulb. Stick it right in there. Make sure you get it going the right way. If you try to put it in the wrong way, it's going to be a nightmare, and you're going to end up breaking something. Now that you got them in there, go ahead and just reverse what you did. Stick them back in. It's just that easy. My hat's off to Chevy for making something actually easy for people to do. Thank you. Bye.